Welcome to 1908 Devonwood Drive. This very nicely updated 2-bathroom, 1.5 bath townhome style condo is located in the Broad River Road area of Columbia, convenient to I-20, just a quick commute to downtown Columbia, as well as Harbison dining and shopping and other area amenities. So we are out front. This is a 2-story unit, of course, part of a 4-unit building that has been completely renovated and updated. And you have nice open parking out here, as you can see out front, and some steps up to the entryway. So you can sort of share a porch landing with the unit to the left. But you come in here and you notice luxury vinyl plank flooring as you step into the small entryway. You have the stairs going up to the left there, and then of course the living room off the entry as you come in, which you can see is a very nice size. You have a nice large window looking out towards the front. And then off of the small hall that's on the way to the kitchen, here you have the half bathroom, which has a pedestal sink, updated lighting and fixtures, and you have a commode tucked behind the door there. And then your dining area here off the kitchen has a sliding glass door that overlooks the patio area, and then your small backyard space. You have a patio here and some fencing separating you off from the neighbors. Nice brick wall there and a bit of grass. And then on this left side here you have access to a storage closet that is lockable on the outside. And then coming back in, your kitchen is right off of the dining area here, and you have white cabinets and updated stainless steel appliances. There is a sleeve top electric range and oven, dishwasher, as well as the refrigerator. As you can see there, you have a nice window in here as well, and light cabinets. Also, that flooring continues from the dining area into here, and then back out through our living space to access the second floor, of course, and the additional bedrooms up here. So you have 2 bedrooms that flank the bathroom off of the hall, and they pretty much are a mirror of each other. Both have these really nice deep windows. So you have a nice deep window box that can be sort of a small bench seat or just a shelf to place some items. It does tuck back around the corner here just a bit. We'll swing out to the opposite end to give you a view of the closet, which you can see is a really nice size. You have bifold doors and a good bit of closet space. You will notice, of course, the nice neutral and modern paint colors throughout as well. A linen closet there, and there's an attic access hatch. Maybe some storage up there, but do not quote me on that. And then you can see the full bathroom here with that same flooring, updated vanity and lighting, and the shower and tub. And then last but not least, that second bedroom, and has those matching windows. This one has a slightly different closet design, or different closet design, just smaller, due to I believe the stairs being on that side. But you can see still a nice sized room. It actually looks like it might be a little bit bigger, honestly, than the other one. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 1908 Devonwood Drive here in Northwest Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.